Gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are back into positive MACD. We're at overbought levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we remain in slightly positive MACD, seeing signs of a converge. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we are approaching to positive MACD. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My trade position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $163.23. My sell target is at $170.84. My stop loss is at $161.05. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $173.95. My sell target is at $165.48. My stop loss is at $176.27. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 25% chance to climb between 0 to 3%, a 17% chance to climb between 3 to 6%. To the downside has a 58% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.